Good morning, Pop Pops Bees. I showed y'all an on-site inspection on swarm catch number 70 yesterday. This is number 71. This right here is why I love the new style swarm catch boxes. Because I don't know how to do this. I just take the ratchet strap off. So these boxes, it's like Christmas every day because you're opening them up for the first time and you don't know what you got. So we're getting ready to find out. I did put a hood on. When I did 70, it wasn't real difficult because I'd done an on-site inspection on them. So we're gonna find out how many bees we got and just what their temperament is. Hopefully it'll fit in this 5-frame. If not, I'll just throw another 5-frame box on it. So let's see what we got. Yep, she ought to come off of there. Well, see no screw in it. They have glued this one shut. There we go. Alright, let's see. That's a pretty swarm of bees. They're in there working. Them off the lid. In here drawing comb, which is a good thing. A lot of festooning going on. They're drawing that one out as hard as they can go. We'll give them that frame. These boxes have got 6 frames in them, whereas the Nukes, of course, have got 5 frames. I got that drawed out. They're busy little bees, working good. We see mama, we see mama. I'm looking for eggs on this that they've already drawn. This is a good sized swarm. I like this one. Pretty. A lot of festooning going on. Not seeing any eggs yet. Just kind of scanning for the queen. See if I can spy. Oh, I got eggs. I got eggs on this frame. On what they've drawn, she's laid. So we have a laying queen. Definitely. That's a good thing. So we know we've got a functional swarm. If I see her, that's great, but we know that we got a laying queen, so. Got this one here laid up too. That was my bait frame. It had been damaged. They're doing the repairs on it now. Just got it in there for smell is all it's in there for. This queen is in here working and looking good. Hadn't seen her, but she's in there working and looking good. That's 5 frames. Something drawn. This is the 5th frame. Something drawn on every frame. Alright, I have not seen her, but I have seen eggs, so we're good. We're golden. We'll let them settle in and continue with their work, and we'll come back in a week or so. Oh, there's still a bunch of bees in that box. that. I'm gonna get a bump box. Just 'cause there's so many bees in there. And all I'm using that for is a bump. Get the rest of these bees out of here. Make sure Mama ain't in here. But she's the most important one. Still a lot of bees in that box. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Plenty of bees in there. So we're gonna bump them on in this box. Get a great majority of them in there doing their thing. We'll mark the box as where it came from and when. Check the box, make sure the queen ain't in there. She isn't. Set it up close so they can get out of there and get into that box. I'm gonna go get them 5 more frames. They're drawing so much comb that I'm gonna go ahead and give them 2 boxes because there's enough bees there to protect it and handle it. Pop Pop's Bees, please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.